Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and I'm going to start the series of Abacus as I have requested by the many of the students who wants to learn the Abacus CAE software. So here I am teaching you one by one, step by step, how to do the part modeling in this, how to import the parts, how to give the materials, how to give the calibration sections, assemblies. So that I'm going to introduce. So first, when you open the software, I will start with the very basic fundamentals. Like you will see the two options. There is a one with standard or explicit model, and one with the electromagnetic. If you have the license for the CFD, then it will showcase the CFD as well option here. Okay. So we will start with the standard or explicit model, and here you will click. So as you can see, you have the welcome panel, and now this is the model tree. Okay, you can create another model, and same you can do this operation for the second model as well. So whatever icon you are seeing here, that options only available here. Like you can switch the option from properties, you can see the different icons here. You can switch to the assemblies, you can switch to the steps, interactions, like that the option and icons will be changed. And yeah, so here we will keep it in the part only, and as you can see there are very different options for the displays and rotating, and all the pen options is there, so you can explore these options. Now coming to the part defaults, there are variable types of parts defaults. Color section is there, so you can choose accordingly. We will see this while doing the simulation, how to use that. This is the transparency level you can maintain, and these are some options we will explore one by one. Okay, so as you can see, first how to create the part, right? You can import the part as well. If you have any step file, any set file, so you can create the part from here. Let's say I have the temp formula 1 step file. Let me see what I can open. Okay, so as you can see, I have the set file for this Formula 1 model. So I imported the model, okay, from this portion. So whenever you are going to import, it will showcase the path, and how which filter you want to use, which file filter you want to use. If you are converted in step file, you can select the step and it will show the file here, correct? So better you use the set or a step file for the importing, or else otherwise if you are using Nastran and other CI software, then you can directly input the INP file, which will come with the boundary conditions, and you can just run into the post processing, right? So these are some model option here for the part importing. Now I can create the part as well in this software. Okay, so how to create that? I'll just delete this one, and I'm not creating part into the Abacus regularly, but I'm just showcasing you how to create that. Like you have to give the deformable part. You can also give the discrete rigid if you want to make your part rigid. Eulerian option is there. So solid, cell, wire, and point I will give for the solid, and extrusion. Okay, so here you will see the sketch type of zone will show here. So what you can do, you can just draw one whatever shape, like I will draw the circle. You can just give the dimension from here, and whatever dimension you want to give, like I want to give the 25 of radius, then okay. Say sketch the section for the solid extrusion. Okay, so whatever operations you are doing, and the next operation will showcase here, the panel will showcase here, and updates will show. If any errors or warnings are coming, then you can see the warnings and errors here, right? So whenever you are getting confused, you are not seeing the option anywhere, so you just go down this panel and you can see the options. Okay, so I have clicked that done, and now I want to create the blind section, which is the depth of 25 and I can see my part here. Okay, so now I guess you are aware about how to create the part sections in the Abacus. Okay, so if you go into these portions, there are many options where you can view manipulation. Okay, you can just go to the tools, go to the options, and in option you can view manipulation. Like if you are a regular user of SolidWorks, then you can select the SolidWorks and it will arrange the pan, rotate and zoom controls according to the software you are using. Okay, let's say someone is using Hyperview, so according to the Hyperview it will change the interface working style. Okay, so I'll give the SolidWorks as I'm a user of SolidWorks for now. So that's how you can create the parts in the Abacus. So yeah, that's it for the part sections. Now and in next episode I will show the how to create the material, how to assign the material. Okay, till then thank you so much, keep supporting, keep sharing, keep learning.